In this episode, we're going to be showing you a handicap accessible suite here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. It's amazing. You're going to love it. It's coming up. Okay, we're going to take you in a handicap accessible suite here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. This room is room 10367. First thing you're going to notice right off the bat is it has the much wider door, so that is wonderful. So come on with me and we'll show you just how amazing this is. First of all, you'll notice there's plenty of extra room in this suite. We're going to go ahead and look to your right here, and we're going to look at the closet area. So we're opening this up. You've got your robes, you've got your safe, you've got these nice little basket kind of drawers that is on the Carnival Mardi Gras, which is an amazing feature. Plenty of storage, things to put your shoes, that sort of thing. And go on, we've got another closet here. Plenty of room to hang up all of your stuff. So that's super. And then I'm going to show you the sort of vanity area. Now here's something I want to say. Look, we are getting the first glimpse. You here on this video are getting the first glimpse. The reason a lot of this is out there is because it is getting put together for the very first selling. So we get the first views. The vanity, love it. They have that extra lighting. This is standard in all of their rooms. And if you come around and take a look here, you also have multiple outlets. There's 3 here. You've got USB hookups. So that is no longer an issue on this kind of ship. You've got the seating here to pull up to that vanity. Each of the rooms we've seen so far on the Carnival Mardi Gras has a really amazing fridge. And I'm telling you, it will freeze your hand. It is super cold. Tons of really good storage in all of this. And something else we found standard that you'll love as well is we have found these large TVs. A lot of rooms have multiple. This one does. I'm just showing you this one right now. I'll show you the other one in a minute. But before we get into the bedroom area, I want to take you and show you this amazing bathroom, okay? So again, you're going to notice it has this super wide door that you have for going inside there. It also has automatic door buttons, so you could use that. All of these features are lowered, so they're very well accessible. And then there's room to come on in, and I can show you around here. You've got, you can just come on in. You've got the seat here on the shower. Everything has been lowered for easy access. You've got the railing to help you out. On both sides also of this, you have the cords, the emergency cords. All of this very accessible. You've also got that on this other side, so I'll let Kelly here get a good pan of this. When you go on around this way, you have the toilet again. You got another one of these emergency cords that you can pull. And then when we swing around this way, there's a large vanity. Everything lowered, everything accessible to include all the way around. Kelly can pan it all now, but we have the sink. And so just super, super good. I wish I had a sink like this at home. I mean, this is just the way it should be, right? So this is amazing. So let's now go check out the bedroom. So you've got a good king-size bed. Something we're seeing in every one of the Carnival rooms. They have these nifty little reading lights that are here. They move around, and they're on both sides of the bed. This has an extra storage closet lowered here on the one side of this bed. So again, very accessible. As soon as you step out of the bed, it's right there. You've got a super seating area. And it looks like as they're still putting this together, this has to be pushed back in. But you can see how you're going to have the couch area. You're going to have the seating area here. You've got more storage and another TV. As I was mentioning, there would be 2 here on this side. And then check this out. Look at this large balcony. We're about to go out there. But again, they have these doors set automatic. Check this out. It's going to lower the tray or the flooring there. And then when you come on out, you can sit out here, you can enjoy your meal, get some of that room service that you have here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Or if you want to just sort of lay back and take things in, you can come over here and hey, this is super. Easily accessible to get up on this, kick those feet back, enjoy your look out there to the beautiful ocean blue. You are going to have the cruise of a lifetime. If you happen to get one of these rooms on a Carnival Mardi Gras cruise, I am so jealous. This may be one of the most amazing rooms I have ever seen on a cruise. So if you get one of these, invite me over to hang out.
So we just got access to a totally put together accessible suite. So we're just gonna do some pans around and show you what that looks like. But let me show you a couple things here. First of all, we have this automatic door button. So you push that and it opens the main door for you. And then also another thing that we wanted to point out is you have these bars down here that will open the window for you and give you a beautiful view outside. So now let's just take a look around.